Welcome to my first BlenderKitten tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how to connect BlenderKitten to GrandMa in order to use the GrandMa 3D software that's inside GrandMa 3 OnPC version that you can download. I will put the link in the description. It's really useful to have a virtual rig to work on if you can't work on the real fixtures. It's pretty simple and straightforward, but I will guide you through it. First, we are going to patch our fixture into GrandMa 3. So you need to open GrandMa 3 and then go to Setting and Patch. Okay. For this show, I'm going to patch 4 front lights, and I want them to be some Chauvet Colorado 3 Solo in SSP mode, and then select. I want 4 of them. I want to name them front light and the number, and my fixture ID will start by 1 and my GMX address will start by 12. I can then press please and create. Now I got 4 front light. I'm going to patch other fixture too. Once I'm satisfied with my patch, I can close the patch window, save and exit. And now I need to open my 3D viewer in GrandMa 3. To do that, I just need to click anywhere and go into Common and 3D viewer. And now there is nothing in it. But actually there is, it's just there, okay? So your fixture are in the ground and you need to place it. This step is quite important, especially if you want to use the tracker tool in BlenderKitten. So just go into Setup and then select the fixture you want to patch, you want to place. In order to do that, I need to clear first. To unselect anything, then select the fixture by the ID I put. So for me, my front light are the fixture 1 through 4. Then I can position them. Let's say my rig is at 8 meters. It's 8-meter wide stage. In order to see which fixture is which, I can go show label on body, and then I can see this is my fixture 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, I can give them a little bit of angle. Up. Once I'm happy with my light placement and everything seems fine to me, I can go back into the patch and start the part 2. It's to export as MVR file. MVR file is a virtual rig. It's a file that can be read by a lot of lighting software, and BlenderKitten reads them too. So I just need to export MVR file to name it. And it will export the position of my light, it will export the type of my light, the mode they are in, and the name, etc. It's quite useful. Okay, so now I'm I just opened a new BlenderKitten file. It's blank and empty. The first thing I need to do is to import the MVR file I just created. So to do this, I go into File, Import. The location of the MVR file is in my drive, then Program Data in Ma Lighting Technology, GrandMa 3 library, and then MVR file. And then all of a sudden, every fixture I had just have been imported with the right name. But one of the issue is when I go to my fixture type, I can see that there is 3 fixture types that have been imported successfully, but they are empty. It's quite easy to fix. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put a link in the description with all the fixture type that BlenderKitten handle. There is a lot of them, and you can create your own quite easily. But for complicated fixture like this, it's way faster to just import some. So just go to import. Just download the file with all the fixture type, and then go to Fixture, Mochi, and just enter the name of the brand. Let's show there. Gonna do 3 solo, and then just add the right mode. For me, it was SSP. Just do it for all the fixtures you had. When you successfully imported your 3 fixture type with the right mode, just go to Input Panel and Assistant, and there is a really powerful tool that's called Fixture Type Swapper, and it just replaces the fixture type with another fixture type, and it will keep everything from the fixture you're changing. Like if my fixture front light 1 was another LED par, and I just swap it, every group, every cue list, every effect will be the same, and it will keep all the information, just it's gonna swap the fixture type. It's really useful if you are on tour or if you need to adapt your show. So this is the GrandMa 3 empty fixture type that I replace with the one I just imported. Just like that, it patch it and it keep everything. I do it with all my fixture type. And then everything should be properly patched. So I can go and see, this is my Colorado 3 shadow, it's the right one. So next, what I need to do, I need to connect BlenderKitten to GrandMa 3. And in order to do that, I need to configure the interface, the way it is going to communicate, and that way is ArtNet. I need to configure the interface by where it's going to communicate, and all my fixtures now are on Universe 1, and here it's called MVR Universe 1, and I need to send some ArtNet into local, so into the IP of my computer, and by default it will be this IP, so I don't have to change anything. I just have to configure properly the net subnet universe. For me, I will keep it to 0, and just like that, I'm good with on BlenderKitten's side. And then I can go into GrandMa, and in GrandMa I need to go into the menu and DMX protocol. Okay, just there. Now here it's already configured, but what you need to put is interface loopback pseudo interface, and as you can see, it's the same IP address I had in BlenderKitten, so it's good. I need to enable the input, and I can leave that, and you need to enable here too, so here, and put the right mode here, the input mode. Okay, now I need to check that my net, ArtNet, subnet, universe, and ArtNet absolute are the same as in BlenderKitten. This is the case here, and now I can close it, and normally everything should work properly. Okay, so now everything should be connected properly. So as we were gonna test, first I can create some groups. So up, and I'm going to store them into group, and just type R to record there. So this is my front light group. And so clear. If I take my front light, I put the intensity up, and I need to put some color. So I'm going to put red, and here I can see in GrandMa that everything responds accordingly. Okay, so it's perfect. I can play around. I can test if every parameter is good. Here is the zoom, for example, etc. I can call my fixture with the same fixture ID I named them in GrandMa. For example, my wash light are 11 through 14. Wait, I'm going to clear first. 11 through 14, please. And then I can put some intensity, put some color. But here I've got nothing because I need to open my shell. So I see that they are in a weird position. So I'm going to position. And yeah, I can adapt to my pan, my tilt, and move them around as I want. And I can. Okay, so I created some groups, some master, and some colors. And yeah, that's all. You can play around with all the parameters. And also, what's great with MVR export is that now you got the layout viewer. So MVR creates automatically some layout. So if I go to my top layout, for example, I can see here my front light, here my wedge light, and you can select, and it's a visual aid that can help you a lot. Also, I'm going to put some more in-depth tutorial on patch in GrandMa 3 and stuff like that in the description. I think I'm going to put the files too if you want to check them out. And yeah, I hope it was useful. If you have any question, just go on the comment section. I will try to answer to them, and go on the Discord or on the Reddit page. There is a lot of people here to help you as well. Okay, I hope you liked it, and yeah, see you next time.